How Mordecai and Rigby used to do it?
Bingo! Bingo! Bingo!
Whoa! What the fuck is up, Preem Team? It's your favorite Preem Boy 22. This is our first big unboxing haul. So, time to do an unboxing of the week 1 and week 3 Supreme drop. But I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packages. I already got one open because I had to wear it to the YoungBoy concert. First package that I got out of the week 1 release coming in. I think this was $44 or $48. I can't remember what the retail was, but the zombie tee, bro, overly fire. I think this is definitely one of my favorite brown tees that I've got so far. Like, ooh, look at that. She got the chi-chis out. This is what you need. What is it? Fucking blowout at the bottom. Come on now. The colors just hit, bro. And it was perfect for the YoungBoy concert, bro. So I had to, bro. I was really panicking. I was really going back and forth between like different Supreme shirts or just shirts in general. And I'm like, bro, what the fuck am I gonna wear? And it just in the back of my head, I kept saying that zombie tee would be fire though. But I'm like, I need it for the unboxing. So I'm like, you know what? Fuck it. I gotta do it, bro. So here go the pics right here. I'll put up a few pics right here. Put up a little video so you can relive this with me. Let me think about it too. That shit was turned, boy. But yeah, I had to wear the zombie tee, bro. You know, my fit was pretty calm. It was cool. But zombie tee, bro. This one is one of my favorite brown tees that I've gotten in a long time. The bear tee is up there. But the bear tee don't like pop though. It don't pop. This right here, the yellow, bro. And I had the perfect force to go with this. Ooh. Nah, this is one of them ones though. This one came from Miami, the store on, the only Supreme store in Miami. This is where this came from. I forgot the location though. Where's that? 45 Northeast 41st Street, Miami, Florida. This shit was only $62 too. But see, and the crazy part about it is like, I wanted to get the camo one when I first saw these on, I think this came out, this is spring, summer. It was spring, summer. It was the spring, summer drop because I was in Miami on August 1st before the new drop came. So this is from that season. This is from last season. So I had to get it though. Camera bag, something different. I don't got one of these though. Supreme card. Nah, I'm playing. You might got one. Bro, this little baggie, bro. This shit OP. This tough. This what really made me want it because you can put your film in here or you can put your SD cards. I was gonna do a whole lot with this bag for real. Like instead of using my DJI for this Sony camera, I was like, bro, let me go on and get something official for my baby. This is the Sony A5100. That's what took these pictures right here. This is these pictures right here. Nah, yeah, just throw it in there like this. Nice, cool camera. Of course, I'd have to adjust the strap and pull it up a little higher so it'd be easier to grab. But cool shit. Got the Supreme going down the line. Tough. This one in one. And it was only $62, bro. I thought it was gonna go on the fall winter sale, but I should have knew better. They ain't putting no cheap ass shit like that on there. Honestly, when I did first look at the bag though, I really thought it was a lot bigger than this, like from online. That's why I was so skeptical on buying it online because I couldn't tell the actual size. Put it off. So I went to Miami and was like, you know what, when I go to Miami, I'm gonna just check it out there. So yeah, that's my camera bag. Cute. Bro, that shit's cool. That's the first thing. Now I can finally like feel like free because bro, keeping all these packages for so long, bro, had me like wound up in my head. I'm like, bro, I don't know when I'm gonna ever put this content out, but I knew eventually I was just gonna lock in and just do it. Yeah, that's one. Boom, 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 bow. And the zombie tee, of course. Yeah, this is all week 1 because this came with the zombie tee, so let's get right. to that thing. Ooh. Wait. Come on, tough today. I ain't about to fight with no bag, boy. I really hope that I get the goddamn laundry bag, bro. That's what I've been wanting. That's what I've been wanting. Stick tee. Okay. Come on, nah. I have been waiting to see how this feel. Like the graphics. I was hoping that it wasn't like, I don't know. I know it's screen print, but I don't know what I was like, what I hope it didn't feel like. But it doesn't feel like that. It feels great. This gray pops, bro. I've been ready to wear this. Stick tee. She got a fatty, don't she? Look at that shit pop. I like it. I like it. Stick tee. This might be that thing. Bro, I'm just hoping for the laundry bag, bro. Just one. I just want just one. Supreme, like, please. Give me one laundry bag. Ooh, OP. 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 My sticker collection OP. Like, for real, that shit just top tier. It's getting there. Oh, I hope I get one of them dollar signs too. Them $100 bills, actually. Uh-oh. Let me get that real quick. Got the motherfucking Bones football jersey, bro. I love the jerseys, bro. Just a great feel. Got the Bones football jersey, bro. That shit fire, bro. Like, it's really all white. Whole time I thought it had a hint of red in here, like the bandana one. I don't know why I thought that. I don't know what I was looking at. This shit all white. Like this a fresh white tee. Big 63 Supreme team. Okay. Come on, man. Comment down below what you got on either the week 1 or week 2 or week 3 Supreme drop, man. Let me know what you got in the last few weeks. If y'all really been passing on shit, saving your money. The last 2 drops been cool and all. The Yohji Yamamoto, the Dickies, and then I forgot what yesterday's was, or I don't even go on my phone. I forgot what yesterday's was, but it really wasn't nothing that stood out to me. So everything that I done got, I got really on week 1 because I wanted like a whole lot of shit from week 1 and week 3. From week 3, that's the thanks. That's the thanks, bro. Please give me the $100 bill, please. Box logo. It's already open. What the fuck, Supreme? What the fuck do I pay for this fish ass company? Gee, y'all saw that. It's cool. We back. It don't fucking matter. Shit. Oh wait. Oh, it just pops open. Okay, I was like, bro, there's no way that they're just throwing the keychain in here like this, bro. Okay, that bitch just pops open. I was about to say, no way. Somebody tried to jib me. Got the black and the red keychains. Come on, gang. I should have got the green one too, but the green one didn't hit for me like that. I don't really care for the green color, but I really should have got it for real, just so I can have it. Please give me a laundry bag or a motherfucking $100 bill. The resale on this is just as low as the NBA Youngboy, the Andre 3000, and the Tyler the Creator. This might be up a little bit higher, but Supreme photo tee. Why? There's a Cardi concert coming up. If I go, of course I'm where it is, just because motherfuckers ain't got this. I ain't even got nothing to say about it. It's cool. It's cool. It's cool. I will sell this though. I don't know. It's cool. Photo tee. See if this motherfucker can do something. Let's get it. Okay. Yeah, it don't look like I'm gonna get the goddamn laundry bag or the damn $100 bill. So I guess that shit goodbye. Of course, another regular fucking box logo. I just got like 5 box logos. Like, come on, dog. I was too excited for this Sharp Spell Out New Era hat. New Era is just on one, bro. They're on one with Supreme right now. They're on one. They got that bitch glistening. Come on, G. Snapback. Come on, gang. I really don't pay. Come on. And it already got the folded brim. This shit fire. Hold on. I liked all the colors. I'm not gonna lie, the red one was really popping, but this black one, bro, I couldn't pass up. I couldn't pass it up. This shit OP. But this one is just like regular degular. I should have got all of them. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm sick I didn't get more than one, bro. I'm low-key hurt I didn't get more than one. It's tough. We have one more fucking chance to get a laundry bag or a goddamn $100 bill. And I'm thinking, since this is the biggest package, this one has to have one of them. It has to, bro. It's like no way that they just fuck me like that. Now, I really don't know if I'm gonna skate this motherfucker or if it's just gonna look good around here. I haven't decided 100% yet. I didn't get one. I got another zombie tee though. Come on, G. I have been ready to open this shit. This shit is gonna look so fucking fire down there. I guess I won't skate this. I guess I gotta buy me another board just so I can skate. I'm not gonna skate this. This is too fucking beautiful. I really could hang it up on the wall. For now, it'll just go on the side of the table. These fucking stickers, bro. Let's see. I got what, 6 box logos? What's crazy is I was gonna get the black and white zombie tee, but I was like, bro, I got too many black and white shirts already. So I was like, let me get the colored one for sure. So I got 2 of those. It's fucking crazy. I got more box logos than any fucking special stickers. I did 3 separate purchases so I could get the laundry bag, bro. Or the fucking $100 bill. I ain't even gotta show 10,000. I ain't even gotta show 2,000. I ain't even gotta show 1,000. I just show you these stickers. You're broke. You're broke, buddy. Let's do a run through one more time. Everything that I picked up. Got the keychain. Keychain. You know. The New Era. This hat is so fucking sick, bro. It's ridiculous. Sharp Spell Out New Era adjustable. You know, we got that. Got the keychains. Let's go over some of these tees. Playboy Cardi, photo tee. Gas. Bones, football jersey. Gas. Stickman tee. Overly gas. Wait till I put the fit on this motherfucker. Boy. I'm going white boy skater when I put this on, boy. Zombie tee. OP. Overly fire. Sick. The best one. Definitely the best out of the t-shirts for sure. The zombie tee. Thanks for locking in with your favorite Preem Boy 22. You already know we got pieces on pieces on pieces. You already know. Come on. Just pull them. Hey. Pull them. Pull. What do you say? Shot. Shot. Before you even get in the comments talking about, oh, you just buy because you buy, blah, blah, blah. Motherfucker, I've been on Supreme since I was motherfucking 14, man. So, I've been here. I just really got money now. Yeah. Man, thanks for watching, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And always stay blessed, stay safe, stay out the way. Deuce. Tap in with your favorite Preem Boy on the next video. See ya.